What's up, guys? Now in this video I want to show one software to manage one software for nutritionists that allows to manage nutritional plans and your clients. As you can see, we can have three modules: the first module for modules, another module for custom recipes, and another module for patients. The idea is be capable to create one nutritional plan and assign to one patient or different patient after you assign one nutritional plan or one program that is the same that one nutritional plan. You should be capable to edit, to delete, or to add, to customize the previous nutritional plan that you assigned to your patient. For that, first, I am going to create a new patient. In this case, the name will be this. Needed to assign one email for it. We can assign more data, but it is optional. Therefore, it is not necessary to fill it. I will create this patient in this way. As you can see, we create the first patient with an state invitation pending. That means that the patient will receive one email with a link to active his account. In this case, for now, we will not active still. We will create more patients. For instance, another patient more. After that, if we can see here, the patient has one calendar where we are capable to assign different meals with different foods. In this case, first meal or second meal and another meal if we want. But the idea is to create one program with a nutritional plan for one specific case. And after to assign to this patient. And in this case, first I'm going to create the nutritional plans. You can have nutritional plans for different diseases, for cancer, for osteoarthritis, for diabetes, from many diseases, for many cases. For instance, in my case, I will create one program for cancer. Only vegetables as description. It is optional, this value, only vegetables. We can create another program, for instance, program for diabetes. And in this case, without a description. And so in this way, we can create more programs. Another program for osteoarthritis. After that, I will create the respective nutritional plan for every day, and after we'll assign to the patient. In this case, I'm going to create one nutritional plan for day one. In this case, the first meal, I will put here one juice. I will assign as a first meal one juice, for instance, in this way. I will search carrots. I want that to assign to 2,500 grams carrots. I want to add also a little bit of turmeric. 10 grams seems good. Maybe a little bit of garlic. 50 grams seems good. We can add cooking instructions. In this case, for instance, I will say that you must use one user to use to make one use with all the carrots. Must to add the garlic and the turmeric in your use. Yep. That will be my first meal. My another meal will be maybe one green juice. Lunch green juice, and we can add here, for instance, parsley. In this case, I want to add one root. You can use different measures here. And in this case, I will be continuing with grams. Yep. I wanted to add maybe 1,000 grams of parsley for this use. And in this case, I only will use parsley for this use. I will copy these directions, these cooking instructions, to make all the parsley in this case. And for this day, this will be all that I will use. Maybe I want to add some ingredients here. For instance, coriander. 200 grams seems good. Another thing that we can add here is one cucumber. And I want to add here 300 grams. Yep. And in this way, as we can see, we update our another meal, in this case, my lunch. And I will add another nutritional plan for this day, for day 2. In this case, I want to add a little bit of solid food. For instance, we will give our patient potato, maybe 400 grams, onions also to make one salad with it, and 150 grams seems good. Another thing can be tomato. tomato, saying it 100 grams seems good. Another meal also. Want to rename this meal first. Potato with salad. Potato with a salad, And that will be for the breakfast, and for the lunch we will eat maybe cauliflower with salad, with cauliflower salad. And I will add that another scent, maybe onion also. Again, onion is one great food. Onion, in this case, cauliflower, I want to add maybe 400 grams. And meal garlic. Use that, a little bit of garlic will be good. 50 grams seems good. And for this day, this will be all. And as we can see, we created meal for every day. After that, if you want to move this program another day, this nutritional plan for another day, you can move continuously. Or if you want to copy it and replicate here, you can realize also that in this case I will copy the meals of the day one. I don't want to create directly from zero. I want to copy it. And I am copying that. As we can see, we have now our program to manage cancer, and also you can add more weeks if you need to add more foods, or for instance to move your meals also. Remove 1 week, and as you can see, we created our program, and we will assign this program, that is one program to manage cancer, to our patients. As we can see, we have here patients. I will add my program to Jonathan and Maria. So I will go here and I will choose Jonathan Diaz, selected patients. We can see here Maria Perez. Also, Jonathan and Maria Perez will be assigned with this program. We will assign from the next week, and we will assign from the day one. We will save it. After if we check that, we can see that this nutritional plan of this patient of Jonathan Diaz will be starting the 12th, the 19. Patients here, and there are one problem here. We can see only a little bit of this program. I need to realize one fix for that. I want that play completely all days. This is one fix that I needed to realize. But we can move it also, and we can move it, or maybe we don't want to move it here. Maybe here, or maybe here also. As you can see, if what we check Maria has the same program assigned previously. This is the nutritional plan for this patient, and in this way you can accelerate or realize assign more quickly your programs, your nutritional plans. And if do you want realize some customizations over this program that you assigned, for instance, to Jonathan, we can edit our previous program plan that we realized. For instance, here we can remove cucumber from this day, from the day 17, and we will remove it. I want to remove cucumber, and I want to add another food, for instance, chini. I want to add 400 grams. And we can see here we customize for this patient this as different to our program that we created previously. With cucumber for those days, we customized for this patient in this day that instead of cucumber, this patient we consume zucchini. That is one way to manage your programs. You can have here generic programs, and after you can customize your program for every specific case of your patients. Another thing that you can realize here is create your custom recipes. For instance, I want to create one custom recipe for Fridays. If we check here, we have nothing here. It is empty. Then I want to create one meal and assign it to this program. Therefore, I will create one custom recipe. I want to name it meat with potato. Avocado better. Avocado. I will search that. I will add 100 grams of meat and also avocado. Already I want to consume 400 grams of avocado. And as we can see here, we create our custom recipe. And after that, we can assign that custom recipe that is in total. Sorry, there are one problem here. Avocado don't save correctly, and I need to assign again. I want to assign 400 grams. Now, if we check here, maybe there are one problem. Ready, avocado is okay in our custom recipe. After that, I want to assign this to my osteoarthritis program, and I want to search that custom recipe that I created previously. And we can see here our custom recipe. I want to add 100 grams of my custom recipe. And after that, I want to add a little bit of water. Coconut water seems good. But coconut water is in all database or the system database. Coconut water. Water. You want to add maybe 200 grams coconut water. And as you can see, we create another, we are using our custom recipe for this protocol, breakfast. And another thing that you can realize here is create groups to tag your patients. For instance, here we will create a new group, cancer, and another group, for instance, fibromyalgia, with irritable bowel syndrome. And we can assign that previous tag to this patient. We can get also our groups. We return here cancer patient and fibromyalgia with irritable bowel syndrome. If I want to assign it, it will be cancer, and it will be for irritable bowel syndrome with fibromyalgia. And that is another cool thing of this software. After that, you can chat also with your patient. This is the nutritional plan that I assigned, and also I can chat with this patient. For instance, hey Jonathan, I created your nutritional plan. Yep. The patient has also another one mobile app to receive the nutritional plan that you create for him. In fact, when you create a new patient here, the patient will receive one email with one link to active his account in this for access to the mobile app. And this is all for now. Another thing that I am doing now is creating configuration and preferences to you create your custom questionnaire, but that is one video for another day. This is all for now. This is all.